Today we're gonna do another fun experiment, so don't move and stick around. Welcome to Science Kids Zone. My name is Karel. Today we're gonna test density and we're gonna play a game of sink or float. Today's experiment, we're gonna use food coloring, 100 ml of water, 100 ml of cooking oil, syrup, and a glass cup, and a screw, a grape, a cover, a sponge or spider head, a die, a duck, and a coin. First, we're gonna pour a little bit of food coloring into the water so we can see it a little bit better. Now we're gonna pour the water in the glass cup. Now we're gonna put some syrup inside of the glass cup. Now, finally, we're gonna put some oil into the glass cup. Now we're gonna put the screw in the cup. Where do you think it's gonna go? If you said the syrup, you're correct. But if you said the water or the oil, you're wrong. Now we're gonna put in the grape. Where do you think it's gonna go? If you said water, you were right. But if you said oil, you were wrong. Now we're gonna put the cap in the cup. Where do you think it's gonna go? If you said it's on the oil, you're right. But if you said it's on the water or the syrup, you're wrong. Where do you think the Spider-Man head's gonna go? If you said the water, you're right. But if you said the oil or the syrup, you're wrong. Where do you think the die is gonna go? If you said that, it looks like it's that, where is it? Like, is it in the, oh. If you said the water, you're right.
You sure
but
about
if you
that?
said the oil and syrup, you're wrong. Where do you think little ducky's gonna go? If you said water, you're right. But if you said oil or syrup, you're wrong. Where do you think the ball's gonna go? If you said the oil, you're correct. But if you said the water or the syrup, you're wrong. Where do you think the tire's gonna go? If you were thinking it was the oil, you were right. So now where do you think the sponge is gonna go? subscribe to my video and tell me where you think it's gonna go. So if you said it was the oil, you were amazing. Here's a closer look of all the objects that were placed in the cup. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't saw the first one, go back and look for it. But if you can't find it, ask your mom or dad or grandma or grandpa to spell it, Science Kid Zone, so you can see my video at home. Hit the bell. Bye-bye.